In the last lecture, we had a look at React Native, an amazing library, and I can only recommend you to dive into it. Now let's move back to React.js though, and let's have a look at Material UI. Material UI is another library you can use together with React, but unlike Next.js or Gatsby.js, it's not building up on React, it's a component library instead. And it's not the only one. There are a lot of component libraries you can import into your React project. And as the name suggests, component libraries are libraries that give you pre-built and pre-styled components. You can still write your own ones, but for example, Material UI gives you beautiful, nice working material design components. If you go on their website, make sure to click on that version 1 is coming link if it's still showing up for you at the top of the page. There, on their webpage, you can click on component demos and actually see the many components you can easily import and use in your projects. You can always find the source code for a given demo if you click on that source code icon here in the top right corner of the example. And then you see what you need to import from that library, granted that you have it installed. You'll learn how to install it on the Getting Started link. And then you can quickly add nicely styled and looking components without having to build them on your own. That's a powerful feature if you're building very big applications where you want to have a uniform look. You can, of course, sketch out and build all the core components on your own. But if you know that you want to follow the material look, definitely have a look at Material UI. And if you want another look, have a look at other popular component libraries. Like, for example, Bootstrap React. If you search for Bootstrap React, you should find that React Bootstrap library here, where you can also find components that take the Bootstrap styling, but work nicely in React and are easily integrated into React apps. So that's the general thing I want to bring to you with this lecture. Dive into component libraries, be aware that they exist, and consider them for your next projects if you need uniform styling, don't want to build all these components on your own, and just want to have nice React components as you would have built them on your own, but just ready to be dropped into your own React application.